Chainsaw Man ending 8. Yeah. Last week we had an amazing ending, but a traumatic episode. It was good, but it, yeah. I'm sensing a pattern here. It looks like the more traumatic the episode, the more quality the ending will have. Yeah. Oh my god. And this week we'll have the TK ending. That the band who sing Unravel. Yeah. And the song name is First Death. And I'm just so excited to see it. TK is just an amazing band, and let's hope to get even more traumas on the ending on the episode. I love traumas. Well, let's see the ending. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, this is definitely TK. Oh! Yeah, another banger for sure. This guy Himeno Aki, yeah. Oh, his voice. Here it comes. Okay, it's a bit calm. I'm just waiting for the drop. Oh, this boy. Oh. This guy's voice is just. Oh my god. Woo! Alright, nice. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I think this is my favorite one. Uh, I don't know if it's because I'm hyped because it's TK, but I think this is better than Chainsaw Blood. I don't know. I have to think. I have to think. Oh, the guitar, the guitar. Oh my god. Yeah, it begins with. As soon as the song begins, you notice it's TK. Oh my god! All right, let's see it here. Oh, all right. And I will be listening to this in loop for some time, probably. Oh my god. TK really knows how to drop a banger. Yeah. Oh my god. All right. All right. I'm just I wasn't that hyped to the episode. Now I'm hyped to see the episode, and yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the reaction, and I will see you in the episode reaction sometime after this video goes up. And yeah, so yeah, take care, and please try to never throw up while kissing. And yeah, that's it. See ya.